Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 21. Today's baby step is to go to the FlyLady's website again and to read some of the Ask FlyLady questions on her website. And this is really helpful because we're going to get to see what insights FlyLady is giving people as they ask her specific questions. And so I'm somebody who read Single Reflections, and Marla Ciley has several different books that she's written at this point about her systems and the habits that we've been forming. But you can't necessarily anticipate what people's questions are going to be when you're writing your book. And so I love that you can go and see what feedback she's giving people when they have specific pointed questions about her system and using it for themselves. The FlyLady encourages us to set a timer for 5 minutes and just spend that 5 minutes and seeing how many questions we can get through and seeing if it's something that's helpful to us. And so that's a simple baby step for today. Also, do not forget to put away that load of laundry that you washed yesterday. Do not let the hamper sit there with folded or unfolded clothes, for that matter, for weeks and weeks on end. Let's get into the habit of doing that whole 5-step process of our laundry and putting them away sooner than later. Thanks for watching this video. There's a link below with a calendar to all the 31 days of baby steps that's totally free that you can print out to follow along. Subscribe to this channel to keep up with what we're posting here. Follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already, where I'm posting more recent updates of how it's been going and how I'm doing with the 31 days of baby steps in real time. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.